Hello, Pia. What are you doing? You're working hard on their basket. Did you work hard on your basket of toys? Oh, they're heavy. Is it heavy? Say hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Say yay, Pia. Yay, Pia. Give yourself a round of applause. Oh, go get it. Get your ladder. Almost. Oh, there's your keys. Oh, good job. Wow. Good stretch. Good job, Pia.